Hey Mitchell, maybe Rick too, if you're watching this. I had this idea. I thought this might be a good solution, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So here I have a blank screen and a paint application, and it's pretty quick to draw out architecture diagrams. And I want to show you guys how it works. So let's say we wanted to draw out the full stack architecture for some application. So that might look like we're gonna draw our front end here. We might have our back end here, and we're gonna have some database like this. And so you'll notice there's also this drawing tool. So if you want to just freehand draw, you can. And if we want to add text, we can do that as well. So let's say we want to say that our front end framework is going to be React. Let's say we want to use, I don't know, an AWS EC2 instance running Django. That can go right here. And let's say we used an AWS RDS instance running MySQL. So now we might want to draw the sort of request that we might want to send. So let's say the user wants to request info about a particular user. So we're going to send the request here, and that request might look like something. It might look something like this: an HTTP GET, and the endpoint we might hit might be answer rocket. And we might want to fetch the information about a user with the ID 1. So our Django instance is going to get that, and we are going to query the database. And so that query might look something like this. Select all from users where user ID is 1. So after that occurs, our database is going to send back the requested data. We can perform any post-processing that we need to do on our EC2 instance, and then we might send back a JSON response. That might look something like this. We might have the user ID. We might have a username. We might have an age. This would come back as a string here. And we might have our URI in case we wanted to hit that endpoint again. That might look something like this. Yeah, so I think this would be a decent solution, and I want to share that with you guys. Hope you guys are having a great day.